Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Vivian and I hope you're all doing well. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this beautiful short pants in this video. So this is a two-part tutorial. So for the part one, I'm going to be showing you how to make these shorts right here. And in the second part, I'm going to be showing you how to make the lace-up crop top. So with that said, let's go straight into the video.
No more talking about it. The way it is, the way it is. It's no mystery.
Here is the fabric I'm using today. So on the finishing end of the fabric, it has the kind of a loose thread going on, and it's kind of giving me a French vibe. So I'm going to be cutting that part out of the end of the fabric, and I'm going to be using that as a design for the outfit I'm making. So right now I'm just going in with the scissors to trim that out.
There's no getting around it.
Okay, so now that that is done, this is the part I just cut out. So you can see right here, it's kind of giving me French vibe. So next, right now, I'm going ahead to cut out all the pieces I need for the short.
When you're here, we got chemistry. We light up when we ignite. We are stars in a darkened sky. When you leave, don't forget to remember. Don't forget to remember me. When you leave.
Okay, so I already went ahead and cut out all the pieces I need, but for this video, I'm only going to be showing you the pants tutorial. On the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to make the lace-up crop top. So right here, I have all the pieces laid out. I have the back piece, the front piece, the pocket piece, and the waistbands and all that. So next, the first thing I'm gonna do is to sew the pocket. So for the pocket right now, I'm going ahead to pin down the piece of fabric I cut out from the finishing end of the fabric, and I'm just pinning that along the pocket line. So next, I'm going ahead to pin down the lining for the pocket piece. Okay, so next I'm gonna take this to my sewing machine and sewing down using a straight stitch. So after sewing down the lining for the pocket, I went ahead and ironed it flat. So for the next step, I'm gonna go ahead and attach the second piece of the pocket right there. So next I'm gonna go ahead and use a straight stitch to sew it down, and to finish up the raw edges I'm gonna use a zigzag stitch to finish up the raw edges. Okay, so I've already pinned the front pieces together off camera. So next I'm gonna pin the back pieces together along the center line down to the crush line. Okay, so after pinning it down, I'm going to take it to my sewing machine and sew it using a straight stitch, and I'm going to be using a zigzag stitch to finish up the raw edges. So I went ahead and did that off camera. So next I'm going to go ahead and pin both the front and the back piece together, and right here I went ahead and place a pin on the side where I'm going to be adding the zipper. So you want to place a mark or pin on the side where the zipper is going to be. So just make sure to leave that side open. So next I'm going ahead to pin together the other side of the short. So okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do a straight stitch on this side and leave the other side open for the zipper. Okay, so I already went ahead and did that. So next I'm working on the waistband. So I'm going to be doing the same thing on the waistband. I'm going to be sewing on the side, on one side of the waistband, leaving the other side open for the zipper. Okay, so I already went ahead and sewed that off camera. So next I'm taking the lining for the waistband and I'm going to pin them together, making sure the right side are facing, and I'm making sure to line it up. So line up the side seam together and also the center seam together. So I place a notch on the center seam so that way I will know how to place them together. So as you can see right here, the notches are matching. So next I'm going to take this to the sewing machine and do a straight stitch on the top of the waistband, leaving the bottom side open. Okay, so now it's time to attach the waistband to the short, and now I'm just pinning that together, making sure that the right side of the waistband is facing the right side of the short, and I'm starting by pinning it down from the middle, the center part of the short, and making sure to align all the seam together, making sure the notches are matched up. So next I'm going to take that to the sewing machine and do a straight stitch to secure it down to the to secure the waistband down to the short. Okay, and this part I'm making sure that the lining is not attached to the waist to the shorts yet, so that will be for the next step. So I'll sew that down after adding the zipper. So next, right now, I'm going ahead to pin down the zipper to the side of the short. So next, I'm going to use my zipper foot to secure the zipper down. Okay, so I've already sewed down the zipper. So the next step now, I'm going to go ahead and pin both sides of the shorts together. And next, I'm going to take it back to the sewing machine and use a straight stitch to secure it down. And after that, I'm going to use a zigzag stitch to finish up the raw edges. Okay, so now that that part is done, the next step now is to sew down the waistband, the lining of the waistband down. So to do that, I went ahead and fold the lining, the edge of the lining inward, and I iron it to lay flat. So next, I'm taking the pin and pinning that in place before going ahead to secure it down using the sewing machine. So I've already went ahead and pinned everything in place. As you can see, it looked neat. So now I'm going to sew on the right side of the waistband. So as you can see right here, I'm going to sew along the seam line. Okay, so before going ahead to sew this bottom part of the crush, I'm going to go ahead and finish up the bottom of the short. So I'm doing the same thing, taking the piece of fabric I cut out earlier for the French trim, and I'm pinning that along the edge or the end of the short, and I'm gonna sew that down using a straight stitch and a zigzag stitch to finish up the raw edges. So I'm gonna do a top stitch just to help tuck everything in place. So now that that is done, I'm going ahead to work on the bottom part of the crush, and I'm pinning it together. So next I'm going to take it to the sewing machine and sew it together, and next I'm going to use a zigzag stitch to finish up the raw edges. Okay, all done. So I went ahead and finished up the raw edges of camera using the zigzag stitch, and this is how it's looking. Everything look neat, and yeah, that's it. All done. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it inside out so that way you guys can see it. So this is the front part. As you can see, the pocket part is also neat, and this is the short inside out, and the pocket side, as you can see. Yep, and the zipper side. Okay, guys, so this is the final result of the short, and I love it. I hope you guys do too. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you do, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and also please hit the subscribe button down below because I'm going to be having more videos to come. So be sure to hit the subscribe button down below if you want to see more videos from me. And also, please stop by my hair channel. Over there, I have awesome hair tutorial for you guys. You're gonna love it. Just click on the link in the description box below to pop by my hair channel. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.